Welcome to the recipe world. Today we are going to see a very interesting, yummy and very tempting chutney, capsicum chutney. This chutney is very easy to make and is very colorful and perfect with rice, dosas, idlis or vadas. The preparation of this chutney is very simple. Here I have used one red and green color capsicum. If you want, you can use two red or two green, or you can combine. I love the color blend if one red and one green capsicum are used. So I have used one red color and one green color capsicum. The ingredients required for making this capsicum chutney are capsicums 2. Here I have used one red and one green. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Chana dal 1 teaspoon. Urad dal or black gram 1 teaspoon. Jeera or cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Red chilies as per your taste. I have used 3. Green chilies 4, adjust as per your taste. Ginger 1-inch piece, adjust as per your taste. Garlic cloves, this is an optional ingredient for the last tadka. Garlic cloves 5. Salt as needed. Curry leaves 2 bunches. Oil 5 teaspoons. Turmeric powder 2 pinches. Tamarind paste 1 amla sized or gooseberry sized tamarind paste. The preparations for making this capsicum chutney are: chop capsicum into medium sized pieces. Peel the garlic skin and then chop them into very small pieces. Heat a pan. Add 2 teaspoons of oil to it. Transfer the capsicum pieces to the pan. Slot well. After 2 minutes, cover the pan with a lid and cook in medium flame for about 8 to 10 minutes until the capsicum pieces become soft and tender. When the capsicum pieces have become soft and tender, switch off the stove and add the tamarind. By adding the tamarind will become softer and will be easy for grinding. That is optional. You can just add tamarind at this stage or add it while grinding as well. Heat a pan. Add 2 teaspoons of oil to it. Add chana dal, urad dal. Just keep little urad dal for the last tadka. Rice seeds, just keep a little portion of rice seeds or mustard seeds for the last tadka. Jeera, 2 red chilies, and slot well. When the mustard seeds start to pop and the dals change the color, switch off the stove. Transfer the tadka to the mixie bowl and the capsicum pieces and the tamarind to the mixie bowl. Add ginger to the mixie bowl. Add green chilies to the mixie bowl and add salt and blend the mixture into a soft paste. No need to add much water, but if you want you can add little water, but don't add much water. Blend it into a soft paste. The yummy chutney is ready. Now you can garnish this chutney. This is optional, up to you, but you can garnish this chutney with the tadka. Heat a pan. Add the remaining 1 teaspoon of oil to it. After the oil is heated, add mustard seeds, the remaining mustard seeds that we kept in that tadka, the remaining urad dal, garlic cloves, and one red chilli chopped into pieces, and curry leaves. Slot well. When the dal changes the color and mustard seeds start to pop, transfer the tadka to the bowl containing the capsicum chutney. Yummy capsicum chutney is ready. It's very yummy and tasty to eat and perfect with rice, idli, dosa, or vada, or with any other starters as well. Yummy capsicum chutney is ready. Serve with hot rice. For more recipes and detailed step-by-step description along with pictures, visit my blog www.shriyafood.blogspot.com. Please leave your valuable